Alright, Bandaholics, we're taking a closer look at the two new color options for the leatherlink line of Apple Watch bands. Both of these colors are bangers, I'm not gonna lie, and on top of that, the leatherlink is one of my favorite style of bands given that they seem to be a little more formal for occasions where you want your Apple Watch setup to look a little classier. Think weddings, a date, a work meeting, just to name a few. This should also be a quick one because we only have two new offerings, but before we begin, I do want to remind you guys that my giveaway live stream is November 13th at 5 p.m. EST. It'll be a nice time to just discuss some cool deals for the holidays, fanboy over some Apple Watch bands, and also I'll be drawing one person live to win an all-new Apple Watch band of their choice, excluding the Hermes offerings. And without sounding like a broken record, in order to enter that giveaway, simply keep your eyes peeled for the hidden bands scattered somewhere throughout this video, and also stay tuned until the end of the video for an additional opportunity to win a free band with my standard giveaway that is accompanied with every single band review of mine. Alternatively, for more information, check out the video description. Alright, that's enough with the introduction, so let's get this show on the road. Alright, ladies and gents, as most of you guys know, these bands come in at $99 a pop, but honestly, I think they're well worth the money. They are a little classier than your traditional sport band, and they also are susceptible to the patina process, in which the leather will morph and age with time to give each band a distinct character. With these two new offerings being Ink and Umber, we have two bands that should patina to perfection. Let's start off with Umber and model it not only on the Ultra, but some other casing colors and materials as well. The thing about Umber is that it's a perfect blend of our classic saddle brown color mixed with a color from a past generation named Arizona. You see, think about mixing a brick red with saddle brown and you arrive at Umber. It's actually redder in nature upon gazing at it in person. I mean, take a look at it side by side being compared with saddle brown and Arizona. As you can see, it does have some saddle brown tendencies, but for the most part has more brick red hues than anything. However, with time, I suspect this color will morph into a beautiful reddish brown color that carries a significant amount of character to it. Honestly, I think the reception of this color is mostly positive, seeing as how the color pairs up well with just about any casing color or material. But I particularly dig how this color looks paired up with the ceramic model of the Series 5. And again, I reiterate, I really wish Apple would release an updated ceramic model. Umber just happens to look like a tier S combination when paired up and layered on top of that bright white of the ceramic casing. Honestly, this color is one of my favorites, and I have to give it a terrific rating at a 9.2 out of 10. And our second color from our pair of new offerings is Ink, a very sophisticated but darker color that mixes elements of violet hues, blacks, and plenty of rich and dark navies. It honestly looks very similar to Midnight. If you want to see how Midnight compares to Ink, click the card at the top right where I compare the two colors on the leather wallets and cases, because yes, if you want to be an ultra Apple snob, you can match up this color with the Ink leather case or the wallet so you can really flex on your haters. The thing is though, I think with time, Ink will inevitably turn a lot darker and end up looking almost identical to Midnight or Black. It's simply the nature of darker leather colors. In sunlight, you're able to distinguish the more purple and navy hues, especially when having a ray of sunshine directly hit your wrist. But indoors, and especially under low light conditions, this color ends up looking almost entirely black. So just make sure you keep that in mind when purchasing. See, my preference is with the lighter and livelier bands, and I would rank this band higher if it had a little bit more of a personality. But sadly, in my humble opinion, it falls short, and most times you can't even tell apart the small hints of purples and navies in most circumstances. It just appears black most of the time. However, this makes a perfect pairing on darker casing colors such as the space black titanium and of course with the midnight aluminum Apple Watch. Overall, I can't hate on it too bad. It's not its fault it looks really dark in darker conditions, so therefore I'm going to give it a solid pass, coming in at a hot 7.2 out of 10. And just like that, man, this was a quick one. Makes sense though, since we only had two new offerings on this style of band. Let me know what you guys think. Which of the two do you prefer? And as far as the giveaway, hope you were able to spot the hidden band, but if you didn't make it in time, you still have an opportunity to win by entering my standard band giveaway. And all you have to do to enter is, number 1, subscribe to the hottest tech channel on the internet, TheJuan&Only, and make sure to ring that bell notification so that you're always up to date on all my recent releases. Number 2, follow me over on my socials, as that's where I'll announce the standard band giveaway winners, including participating in regular polls, channel news, and updates, as well as opportunities for even more giveaways. And lastly, number 3, drop a comment down below letting me know what tech product you are hoping for this holiday season. I'm not gonna lie, what I'm extremely pumped for is the new Pokemon Scarlet and Violet game. So I really hope my girlfriend is watching this, hint hint. Alright guys, good luck on all who enter. Thank you all so much for the continued support. We're almost to 60,000 subscribers. Every day we inch closer and closer to my goal of 100,000 subscribers. But with that, I'll go ahead and close out. I hope to see you guys on the live stream on the 13th of November. So take care guys, and I'll catch you all in the next one.